Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. Today, we're going to do a review. The last time, we learned a new sound. Do you remember the sound that we learned? That's right. Good job. Now look at the bottom of your screen. All of these sounds we have talked about so far, and we've learned that they can be either a vowel or they can be another kind of letter or sound, which is called a consonant. Say consonant. So if something is not a vowel, it's a consonant. Let's look at our first letter, our A. Can you remember? Is it a vowel or a consonant? Yeah, it's definitely a vowel. What about I? I. You see it on your screen? I is a vowel as well. What about ah? Oops, it already moved for you. Ah is definitely a vowel. What about our new sound? Yep, it is a consonant. What about our th, which goes th and th? This is also a consonant. What about that next one down there? Eh, like elephant. Vowel. What about like umbrella? Another vowel. And what about shh, like be quiet? A consonant. Great job and great review. Now, every once in a while, boys and girls, we will test another letter or another sound to see if it's a vowel or not. So let's look at our letter T. What sound does our letter T make? That's right, it goes t, t, t. Do you feel your tongue? T, t, t. Your tongue should be tapping against the back of your teeth. Now, I don't want any of you to go tuh, tuh, because that's not how we say this sound. It's t, t, t. So let's test this sound to see if it's a vowel. First of all, is my mouth open? T, t, t. Not at all. What about, can I hold out the sound or sing it? Try again. No, unless we add the like tuh, and that's not how we make that sound. All right, feel your voice box. I feel some air, but I do not feel my voice box vibrating. So the letter T or the sound t is not a vowel. All right, let's move on to our next sound activity. I say a big word, you echo, then we take off the first part and you say what's left. These are tricky because what's left is often not a real word, is it? Let's start with this one. Say alphabet. Without L, what's left? Phabet. That's kind of funny. Say Washington. Without wash, what's left? Ington. Ington. Good. Say photograph. Without photo, what's left? Graph. Say scientist. Without sci, what's left? Entist. Tricky. Say Africa. Without F, what's left? Rika. Say emperor. Without M, what's left? Perur. That was tricky. Say magical. Without Madge, what's left? Ical. Say instantly. Without in, what's left? Stently. Last one. Say multiply. Without mul, what's left? To ply. All right, it's time for our last sound activity. Is everyone ready to see Tony again? Hey, Tony. I always have to wake him up, don't I? Hey, Tony. All right, Tony's here to help us with unblending. Do you remember doing unblending the last time? Can you say hi to the boys and girls, Tony? Hello, boys and girls. Hey, Tony. All right, are you ready to do unblending today? Yes, Mr. Slates, but I have a favor to make. Oh, you have a favor? What do you want? Could I say the big word? Oh, you want to say the big word? All right. What do you think, boys and girls? Can we let Tony say the big word? All right. Tony will say the big word, and then you and I will try to break that word into its two little sound parts. Are you ready? Are you ready, Tony? All right, Tony, say our first word. Off. All right, say it, boys and girls. Off. Let's break it up. Ready? Aw. Makes off. Do you get it? All right, Tony, tell us our next word. See. Say it. See. Let's break it up. S-E. Good job. Next word. Moo. Oh, he's saying moo like a cow. Say it. Moo. Let's break it up. Ready? Ooh. Two more. Ready? All. 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 Something's going on with my screen, boys and girls. Someone must be messing with my buttons. I'm sorry about that. Let's say it again. Say all. All. Let's break it up. Ready? All. Good job. Last one. Say our word, Tony. Low. Low. Let's break it up. O. Low. All right. Everyone say goodbye to Tony. Bye-bye, boys and girls. I hope you have a great day.